So in this video, we're going to talk about some beginner's guide to buying crypto. Everything you need to know as a beginner before you buy crypto or if you want to buy crypto. Right. There has been a lot of uproar about crypto recently, and a lot of persons are into crypto, have one or two cryptocurrency in their wallet, and most persons still don't know how to go about it, and that's because they really don't understand what crypto is all about. And in this video, I'm going to try my possible best to dissect to you what cryptocurrency is all about and beginner's guide to buying crypto on how to buy them. All right, so you will find this video detailed enough to guide you to buying crypto anywhere you want to buy from. So let's just check it out. Let's just take a little review about crypto.
Bitcoin was only an extravagant marvel when it was first uncovered in 2009. Futurists and professionals attempted to charm general society with fascinating projections, yet it was not drawing a lot of consideration from the speculation world. The entire thought of having a world with crypto didn't appear to add up. Many didn't have the foggiest idea about the potential that crypto conveyed, and truth be told, a few group were even offered Bitcoin free of charge and they dismissed it. Today, Bitcoin is one of the world's driving crypto that has pivoted the existences of many brilliant financial backers, regularly what you can call from grass to beauty. Many more cryptographic forms of money have arisen and gone, while some like Bitcoin and Ethereum have kept on standing the flavor of time. Financial backers and examiners have come to see cryptos as a brilliant method of contributing and developing their abundance. Cryptos are additionally coming out as an option worldwide cash that may before long assume control over the spot of sovereign monetary forms like the euro and US dollar. Have you been thinking about what is the most ideal approach to purchase digital currency? This article will edify you about cryptos and how to get them. It is altogether conceivable that cryptographic forms of money will keep on heading skywards, and just the individuals who will have bounced in early will make a decent kill. So settle in and figure out how to purchase digital money from this article. Welcome to the great universe of cryptographic money. Instructions to buy cryptocurrency. Is digital currency contributing brilliant? This is an inquiry that flashes warm conversations from various ways of thinking. One side accepts that putting resources into crypto is a brilliant thought, while another part of financial backers imagine that cryptos are a simple theory and not a genuine type of speculation, since somebody needs to purchase digital currency at a greater cost for you to benefit. This is at times alluded to as the more noteworthy imbecile hypothesis in the venture field. A wise venture, as indicated by this gathering of individuals, creates income from genuine items and administrations that have stable and bit-by-bit expanding esteem over the long run. Conventional financial backers contend that cryptos need dependability, lower instability, and an assurance of security. This gathering thinks it isn't protected to purchase cryptographic money because of its solid value vacillations. A cash should be well unsurprising, with the goal that merchants can value their merchandise reasonably. Then again, crypto advertisers keep considering it to be a fast method of raking in some serious cash. Some of them purchase crypto as a type of long-haul speculations, very much like land or fortune bonds. The thing that matters is that while securities have an assurance and a lower profit from speculation, cryptos may effectively develop your cash by more than 500% inside a brief period, or you could lose everything. For what reason are digital currencies so famous? There are many reasons why digital currencies appeal to their allies. The following are probably the most grounded reasons. The future cryptocurrencies are viewed as what's to come. Advertisers of cryptos, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum, accept that they will one day supplant the cash. Such individuals are dashing to purchase enough cryptos before they acquire esteem. No brokers. The way that cryptos have killed the requirement for mediators in exchanges is another famous purpose for their development. It is accepted that national banks make it costly to execute and after some time lessen the worth of cash through expansion. Secure exchanges. The blockchain innovation, which is behind digital currencies, makes a decentralized recording framework that makes exchanges safer than the ordinary types of installment. Simple development of cash. Some examiners have made crypto well known on the grounds that they see it as a superior method of executing, particularly with regards to the development of tremendous measures of cash.
Now, first of all, let's talk about what crypto is. What is crypto? Cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency is a digital currency just like your regular currency that has taken the toll on the internet recently and has become much more valuable than even your local currency that we all know about, like your dollar or your naira or your uh, whatever currency name of your currency is. So cryptocurrency is digitalized, all right. It's not physical. You see it in digit, all right. So some cryptocurrency could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and so on. And now there are so many that has been made as of recent. There are hundreds and hundreds, in fact, let's say thousands of cryptocurrency out there, with the majority being the Ethereum, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and other. No, now there are what we call coins and what we call tokens. All right, I believe I already made a video on that. All right, so you could check in the description or my channel. There are videos on that, and then we have what we call okay, that's token and coin. A coin is a is a cryptocurrency that exists independently on its own chain, while a token is a currency, a cryptocurrency that exists on uh, the blockchain of another coin. Let's say Binance Smart Chain right now. Let's say BNB is a coin. Then token could be any other coin like Save Moon or Save Moon Cash or 100x coin that exists on that chain. All right. So now, for a beginner, you want to buy a cryptocurrency and you don't know what to go, how to go about it. Now, the first thing you need to know is now you need to know that while buying cryptocurrency, you are totally totally in control of your finance. Not like you borrowed money from somewhere and you want to use that money that you borrowed to buy cryptocurrency, and tomorrow you come back and you see the money either a bit down or high, and then you start getting low BP or you start getting over excited and start doing things wrongly. All right, cryptocurrency can be very volatile at times. That's one thing you need to know, and it can be very volatile both in the negative direction and the positive direction, which means it can reduce by 100% a day and can increase by 100 or 200 or 300 or 1000% within a day. All right. So you should be rest assured that that is what it is. But on the long run, it does pay off. All right. So the first thing you need is you need a wallet, and now you can buy cryptocurrency into a wallet like a Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a wallet on its own, and then MetaMask is a wallet, and then you can buy it into an exchange wallet like we have Coinbase wallet itself, and then we have Coinbase exchange, and then we have Binance wallet, and then uh, Binance is also an exchange too. So all these places are places you can buy cryptocurrency into, and there are some tokens that are not available on exchange. Most tokens, especially newer ones, are not available on exchange, but they can be made available on your wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet. All right. So now what you need to do is sign up for a Binance account. I'm using a popular exchange that everyone knows. Sign up for a Binance account, and then uh, the how you buy crypto into like country like Nigeria or China where cryptocurrency is banned. You need to contact like a local supply on how to buy into your own wallet, and make sure that you make some personal research into it. All right. Local supplier can send cryptocurrency into your wallet without having trouble with any government parastatals or whatever. All right, and you can buy through P2P, through peer to peer, like someone who has that want to send to you, and that's the same way you can sell it. All right, and platform like Binance offers that P2P as smoothly as possible. Like within your locality, you always find people even in midnight. All right, because I say I'm buying cryptocurrency even in midnight, like 12 a.m., 1 a.m. People are there 24/7 trying to buy and sell crypto. All right, when you buy it into Binance, you have successfully bought a cryptocurrency. All right, let's say you choose the coin that you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy Ethereum, you want to buy Binance Smart Chain, BNB, that is Binance Coin, or you want to buy. Okay, let's say you want to buy any smaller coins that are not listed on exchange, like let's say mm, like a Pit token or like Save Moon or like any other coin. Now, first thing you have to do is buy BNB. I've made a video on that already, but simply you have to buy a coin that you can use to exchange it. All right, you can buy BNB into your Binance account and then transfer the BNB to Trust Wallet on Binance Smart Chain network. You see, when you enter BNB on your Trust Wallet, you see it exists as, you see BNB come up as BNB and Smart Chain BNB. Send it to your Trust Wallet on BNB Smart Chain. And that brings us to what we call network. Every coin exists on a network. We have a Ethereum network, we have a Binance network, Binance Smart Chain network, and then we have Tron network. If you send a coin on the wrong network, it wouldn't reflect, and getting it back can be a bit difficult. But I've made a video on that, on how to get a coin if you send it on the wrong network. But it can only be gotten back when you send it to a wallet that has a recovery phrase. Right now, like if you see the last video I made, I mean 1 or 2 videos back from down from this particular video I just uploaded now, you discover that I made video on the new development that Binance have added, which means everyone still have a chance of recovering a coin that is sent to them on the sent to Binance platform on the wrong network. So you should check that out. All right. So you have to understand what's called network now, which means if you are sending a coin to Trust Wallet, this is what it means. You have to ensure that on your the coin you are sending to Trust Wallet, let's say you're sending BNB to Trust Wallet, the coin you are sending to Trust Wallet must be let's say you are sending Binance Smart Chain to Trust Wallet. Now check beneath the coin, it should have BEP20. All right. Now when you are sending from Binance, you select BEP20 network. Now if you are receiving same thing, just send it back and forth. If you are sending, if you want it to exist as let's say on a, you want to send it on a Ethereum network, ensure that the coin you are sending to, the wallet you are sending to, is on Ethereum network. All right, let's say you are using an exchange, for instance, let's say you are using Nuno or Roku, okay, or let's say Coinbase exchange as well. Be sure that you understand the network that you operate on, and the default network that most of this exchange operate on is Ethereum network. All right, so be sure of that before sending those coins to them. To verify, most times you can send in a very minimal quantity to see if it reflects before you can send a large quantity. Let's say you want to send like $1,000, to your wallet. You could send like 50 first to see if it does reflect, if everything is all right before sending it again. And be sure that the last number on the address is the same thing that you copied from the other wallet, is the same thing that the coin is going into when you paste it on the platform you want to send it from. So hold the coin. So if you want to sell these coins, you could send it back to that exchange and then exchange it through P2P, or contact your local supplier and they will do justice to that. So I believe you understood this video very well. If you like this video, please um, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe to my channel. I bring up more and more amazing content like this, so more to come in a short while. So subscribe, stay tuned for more videos like this.